Today we have a new method of capsule wardrobe called the Sudoku Method. This one in particular is a 9-piece, very minimal formula that you can create up to 27 outfit ideas from. But you know, your girl loves to go above and beyond. When I was testing this out, I was actually able to create 33 different outfits. And all of today's pieces are from today's sponsor, Quince. I got a few new pieces, but I got a lot of the classic pieces. This is also our spring capsule wardrobe for 2026. As always, I'll include everything mentioned in today's video with the sizing, pricing, and colors down below in the description box. And I also have my travel packing list collection, which includes my capsule wardrobe checklist. It's an amazing freebie. I know you guys love it, so be sure to capture that down below. I love you guys, and let's get started. So what is the Sudoku method? Similar to the puzzle solving game, this incorporates a grid of 3, 3, 3 for a total of 9 pieces. Formula includes 3 tops, 3 outer layers, and 3 bottoms. We have a 3x3 grid for a total of 9. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So let's start off with tops. We're gonna lay this out in a diagonal line, box 1, box 5, box 9. Next, we're gonna lay down our layers. This is gonna go from box number 3, number 4, and number 8. And finally, our last category is bottoms. These will fill in the final missing squares, which is box 2, box 6, box 7. Every single vertical, every single horizontal, you should never have 2 of the same category in each other because you're not gonna wear 2 bottoms in an outfit. You know what I'm saying? Okay, now let's talk about the outfit combinations. Right off the bat, you will see that if you draw a horizontal line, 1, 2, 3, you will get a combination of top, bottom layer, layer, top, bottom, bottom, layer, top. Now if you draw lines from the top to the bottom vertically, you get a combination of top, layer, bottom, bottom, top, layer, layer, bottom, top. Outfit number 7 is the diagonal from the bottom left to the top right. Now let's move on to the advanced mode. Zoom in every corner by doing triangles with the neighboring pieces. And then you can zoom out and do outfits from the opposite corners in a bigger triangle. Eventually you should get up to 27 unique outfit looks. So let's take a quick pause here. If you're going on a week-long vacation and you only want to do carry-on, this is a very easy way where you lay down the clothes, you take a photo, you can just glance on it and be like, boop, 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 boop. By the way, if you're looking for an example of a capsule wardrobe in a carry-on, be sure to watch my last one that I posted right here. Which, by the way, if you guys are enjoying this video so far, please give your girl a thumbs up, please subscribe, and let me know down below in the comments if you guys want some more capsule wardrobe content or there's other viral trends that you want me to try for you. I would love to do that. All right, moving on to my unique hacks and observations when putting this formula to the test. Number 1, I like squeezing every single outfit combination possible in all my capsule wardrobes so that you guys at home can really visualize like squeezing all the juice out of a simple lineup. So I think it's really key that you look at those outside corner pieces that don't touch each other. You can pull things from the opposite side of the grid. Number 2, the biggest hack that I always champion is to grab as one of your layers a full button-down cardigan or button-up shirt. Because yes, this is technically a layer that can pair over all of our nice sleek tops without being bulky, but this buttoned up ends up being a 4th top. This is how you get past the 27 ceiling. We love busting ceilings on this channel. By incorporating this as a top, I was able to squeeze out 6 extra outfit combinations. I will say that 3 out of the 6 are a little bit funky, but I just wanted to show you the fullest capacity. And key point number 3, we can technically expand this capsule by 12 other outfit combinations if we strip down the layers. Because it's spring to summer and it is so warm, you don't necessarily like want to wear a blazer or a trench over all your outfits. You might be reserving those layers for the evening time. So I'm gonna also show the 2-piece outfits so you guys can see what that looks like. But just to keep in mind, because we're not in the cold weather, 2-piece outfits also look great in this capsule. Probably more realistic whenever it gets hotter. Okay, so let's go ahead and break down the 9 awesome pieces in our spring capsule. Everything again is from Quince. I've got some hardcore favorites that I cannot stop wearing year after year. Starting with our 3 tops. First, we have my ultimate favorite, the Eco Knit Ribbed Sweater Tank. I am hoping they restock on this. On me today, I have the taupe version. There's something about the sweater tanks that just feel very premium. They're thick, they're not transparent, they're cuddly and soft, and it's just like a sleek, adulting, feminine version of just like a slinky spaghetti strap tank top. I have put these through absolute use and they still look so good and smooth. If this is not in stock, I will link my other favorite alternatives. They got a smooth cashmere sweater tank version with the same silhouette. Don't worry, I got you. I'll link it down below. Top number 2, this is new, but I have literally all the other core pieces from the linen collection. This is the 100% European linen tank top. This has got a square neckline with some nice comfortable thick straps. Again, an elegant version of a spaghetti strap, and because it's linen, it could be kind of flimsy. However, there is a nice lining underneath along with a smocked elasticized back. So it stretches to comfort, but it's also got a zipper that can suck you in. So you do get form-fitting shape with comfort stretch. And I've been strength training, so I'm getting a pretty big back on me. I appreciate this, okay? This is 100% linen. I love this. It's very comfortable, but it's still kind of sexy. Moving on to another newbie. This one has so many good ratings, and I think it's an awesome option for people who work in the office. This is their new cotton cashmere blend, which is so great, breathable, but ultra soft. This one has a boat neck, and it's like a variegated rib, and it is very sleek and form-fitting, but it's absolutely not tight at all. This is just a great option because it is truly just sleeveless with complete modesty coverage for my girls that don't want to show too much. This is a nice option compared to this guy. Now let's move on to layers. This is the cotton cashmere ribbed cardigan. It's got this great blend of breathable, high quality cotton and my favorite Quince cashmere. It really is just a perfect marriage, and it has a lot of monochromatic buttons on here. Blue is like the new neutral this year. And again, this one has a nice kind of sexy 90s fit and a very, very versatile piece for the springtime. Moving on to layer number 2, we have the 100% double-breasted European linen blazer. This one is a nice, hefty, oversized piece. We've got some strong shoulder pads, and what really makes this one stand out compared to the other linen blazer is that you have these pop-in yellow gold buttons. We got the 4 placement on the front. I like this oversized fit. It looks definitely like menswear, and I have this in the flax color to match with the tank top. This is another hack, by the way. For all of my capsule wardrobes, you guys notice I always like to have some kind of matching set between like the top and the bottom, or maybe something like this, like a layer and a piece of outerwear. It adds some kind of unifying coherence to the color palette, and it has even more impact when you pair it together because it looks very intentional, like it's a matching set. And back like I was saying with the tank top, the lining is also linen. You're not sweating and stinky underneath, like you're getting the benefits of linen, you know, from the inside to the outside. And for our last layer, we have the drapey crepe trench coat. I love flowy trench coats so much. I've been featuring on this channel since I started in like 2016. I think it's like the most effortless, elegant piece of outerwear. It's so great for my corporate babes. I love it for travel. By the way, the reason why I chose this color palette is it's very trending this year, is this chocolate brown and baby blue combination. I think it's such a fresh spin on going with something that's more cool tone. Like instead of black and gray, it's like brown and blue. They're lighthearted little sisters. But I like this one because it actually has very minimal elements, so it looks very sleek. We don't have any epaulettes, seamless hidden pockets, matching belt, and a great forever piece, to be quite honest. And finally, last but not least, our last category is bottoms. So we've got a new pair of Quince jeans. If you guys are not in on the Quince jean game, they're all $50. It's insane. And they have so many different rinses and different styles that they've launched so far. This is one of my favorites. These are the Bella Straights, and I went shorter. I went with a cropped length because I had a longer length pants. I have a longer length pant trouser in here, so I wanted some variation. And I got this awesome, cool blue color. I got this rinse because it's light springy, perfect into summer, and it matches well with the cardigan. They almost look monochromatic together. These are super soft and very stretchy. Great for people that want comfort and mobility, especially for my moms. You're gonna love the $50 jeans. Bottom number 2, we have the stretch crepe trouser. These are a nice, simple, wide leg trouser, pleated front, belt loops, but the backs have double pockets along with an elasticized waistband. And I got the same cocoa dark espresso brown color to, of course, match with the trench. Because as I mentioned, matching pieces between bottoms and tops, bottoms and outerwear, tops and outerwear, just really maximizes your outfit possibilities. Like just matching, two pieces together really just saves you a lot of mental stress and time. Even though it looks kind of boring on the rack right now, I only have like 3 main core colors. I'm gonna show you how to spice it up. And the last bottom, my tried and true favorite. I am not kidding that I wear these nearly every day. I'm so lazy at getting dressed sometimes, and I just want the most comfortable, breezy bottom. This is the smocked tiered maxi skirt. I have it in the white and the black. It has this huge smocked elasticized waist that's so comfortable. You've got some pockets on the side. It is so flowy. It is so voluminous. I can't speak enough about it. I gotta get another color. This is a great core basic for spring into summer, and for my ladies out there that want to feel comfortable without showing any of your legs or your skin, this is such a great go-to. I also really like the European linen maxi skirt with the slit too. That's a great option that has less volume for my petite girls out there. I'll link them both down below. So those are our 9 pieces. Let's go ahead and move on to the supporting accessories. Let's talk about shoes. You can pair about 3 different shoes with this capsule. For the shoes, I just want to show you a quick variety. I like to go with a business option, something that has a pointed toe. You could do a pointed toe slingback, or you could do a pointed toe mule, something that looks really good, especially with the trousers. So I went with the dark chocolate one. The second shoe option is to go with like a flat or a sneaker. These woven type of flats are super in this season. I think they look great. I think they look less bulky. I think they look really stylish. I think it gives a lot of texture to a lot of these tops because they're just opaque. And so it gives some lightness, but still the cream matches with the beiges and the whites and the creams in this capsule. Obviously, you can also do sneakers for athleisure or for heavy walking alongside the flat. And then the last option is something that's a hybrid. So I'm wearing the ones that you're probably seeing on screen right now. Oh, my hamstrings are so tight. I've been like strength training and like I'm transforming my body composition. I've gained literally 6 pounds of lean muscle mass. I'm so proud of myself. But anyway, these shoes are a hybrid. So you have a little bit of heel to feel a little sexy, but the block heel makes this like very comfortable and walkable. These are the Quince ones with a stretchy upper. This is made out of, I think, plastic recycle bottles. So that's really great. My recommendation is to pick one in every single category and pick one in each color. One dark to match the dark, one mid-tone to match the mid, and then one light to match the light. And then lastly with the bags, I included 3 bags just to keep with the 3 theme of today's video. Same thing that I just said about the shoes. I've got a dark one. I love this one, by the way. This is the Italian leather mini barrel bag from Quince. It almost looks like a high designer bag, but it's got way more capacity and it comes with a little matching pouch on the inside. I love this one. You could just cute little mini shoulder bag. That's actually useful. I have it in the espresso brown to match with the pants and the trench. I've got this Old Faithful. It's a straw bag to match with like the linen flaxiness of the top and the blazer. And then you also have the corresponding white strap to go with the white. And then lastly, I've got a hand woven white bag to pick up on the light tones. And then last but not least, the most effective low volume way, especially when you're traveling, to infuse some pattern, some personality, to break up all the solid colors. Hold on. I have always recommended scarves. If you guys are OG, okay, please leave a comment down below. You guys know I've incorporated so many scarves in the past. Here, I've got 3 different options. You can put this, okay, as a belt, as a hair scarf, as a little shawl, as a neck scarf, or I love tying it to the bag. It's just like really sassy, and again, it just gives you a great pop of color. I went with a navy one with blue and red tones. This one looks very much like a traditional like country Austin bandana. I've got a very neutral business professional one that's got the neutral beige tones with black trim, and then I've got a spicy brown amber marigold one that will pick up on the dark cocoa colors, right? So you can interchange these to look good with the bag, the outfit, match the corresponding scarf to that outfit to like punctuate it. I think you get it by now, but anyway. All right, you guys, so that does it for the breakdown of the Sudoku method. You're gonna be able to see how they all look together now. I love you guys so much. Again, everything is down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Enjoy! called the Sudoku Method. The Sudoku. About the Sudoku. I don't know how to say this. What am I trying to say? What is 33 plus 12?